Hey, hi guys. Today I'll show you how to connect to Dynamics 365 from a console application with user ID and password. So for this one, the prerequisite should be the user account whichever you're trying to log in should not have multi-factor authentication enabled. It should not have multi-factor authentication enabled. Otherwise, it will fail. So that is a primary requirement you need to have. So today I'll show you how to do it. So I'm opening my Visual Studio and create new project. So here you need to select console application of .NET framework. So I already have one. So I'll show you again. Console application. So console app .NET framework. I'm selecting this one. Clicking on next. So I'm going it as first API user 3. Okay. So I'm using .NET 4.6.2 at present. I didn't tried in higher versions. So I'm clicking on create. Let it load. Okay. Now it is loaded. So first of all, you need to import a package. So go to tools and you get package manager console. So package manager browser actually. So here type Dynamics 365 tools. You will get some packages. Here select this one, Microsoft CRM.sdk.core tools. Select this one. Click on install. Hit complete installation. Installation is done. Now you have to add some package references here. So I'm clicking on references, add reference, and I'm clicking on browse. So automatically it will open all the core tools thing, I think, whichever you have. Sorry. So I'm going here. So deposit step A, it's three packages, core tools. Here you need to select two DLLs, Microsoft xrm.sdk.dll and this one, tooling connector.dll. Add these two. Okay. Then go to assemblies. You will find system.runtime. System.runtime no serialization. Add this one also. Clicking on OK. Once you add all those, then you need to import two packages. Microsoft.xrm.sdk. This is one. Second one is SDK tooling.connector. So once you add these two, then let me input one more thing. System dot configuration menu. Configure. So this is for referring to the app config. So now what I am doing is I am writing my connection string here. Okay, I already have my connection string build. I'll just copy this to that one because writing from scratch will take a lot of time. I'll explain what it is. So this is my connection string. Okay, here I'm selecting authentication type as auth, and my organization URL I'm giving here. So this one is nothing but sorry, the application URL whichever is loading. This is the URL you can use, and after that, this is the user account and password I have. These are mandatory, and along with that, you need to have the application ID and redirect URL. These two are also mandatory, and these two, as it is for just testing and development purpose, you can get it from internet. I'll show you how to where you need to get it also. Simply go to browser and type the connection string. You will get the first list is the go to the first result itself, and so here these are created by Microsoft. These we can use for sampling purpose, testing and development purpose. In real time, you need to create an application in the Azure, and you need to use that one. Okay, so these for connection string. Okay, now so this is configuration manager, connection string. Sorry, so this is actually the real time usage how we'll use. You can directly create connection string here also, but this is standard practice which you will use in real time. Okay, so this is the one. Next, create a checklist block and use CRM service client equal to new CRM service client. Post the connection string. Okay, so once it is created, you can. I'm showing you how to create a contact record on the contact record. New contact. Sorry, I'm passing last name as parameter. Put this to record one. Then not create contact. So for this one, we'll get the result as UID. So I'm creating UID. That was a UID, and for pending purpose, I'm going to be history. Okay, and for cache. So I'm here. I'll put the error message on. So this is the process. Okay, and another reminder. So now let me show you my organization first. So currently I don't have anything as a step record. So now I'll create one. Click on build. Build is success. I'm clicking on start. I forgot to add the read key option. I forgot to add the read key option here. That's why it exited directly, but still the record is created. I can show you. You see, STP record 1. Again, I'll run it again. STP record 2. So now you'll see the GOD also. So this is a record ID, GOD. I will compare it to this one. So record 2. I'm opening it. And if we can see here, 7F29. That's the same GOD we have. 7F2910. So this is one of the way to create a console application. I mean, using console application to connect to Dynamics 365 instance. I mean, you can use this for connecting to Power Apps also. Currently, I'm using Power Apps only, even though I mentioned as Dynamics 65. So, some model-driven application connection. How to do that? This is the one way. And remember that if you are using an user account, that user account should not have the multi-factor authentication enabled. Otherwise, it will fail. And don't forget to include the app ID and redirect URI, because if you don't mention this one, those two, they, again you will get an error, and obviously it will fail. So these are mandatory, and I'll make another video for doing how to do it with the client secret ID and password using Apple Station. So this is the video, guys. If you have any doubts, you can ping me in the comments, and if you like the content, you can click on like and you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you.